I miss you pa.
You?
Is there something wrong? You want to go inside?
Meron sana akong gustong sabihin sa'yo pa eh. At gusto ko po sana na makinig lang kayo sa akin.
Okay.
Pa, bakit di kami yung pinili mo? Di ba mahal mo din kami? I kept on defending you to everyone, even to myself. Ayoko kasing isipin nila na masama kang tao. Pero hindi ko matanggap kung anong totoo eh. Hindi ko matanggap na selfish ka. Hindi ko matanggap na gago yung tatay ko. Na hindi kami yung pinili mo. Alam mo pa, I grew up so afraid na baka may kulang din sa akin. Natatakot ako kasi baka mamaya one day, iwan lang din ako. Kasi nagawa mo eh. Nagawa ng greatest love ko. You're my greatest love. You're my greatest love. But you're also my greatest pain, Papa.
I'm so sorry.
I will always love you, Papa. And with this love, I will choose to forgive you every day. I will forever be grateful that I have you as my king. I love you.